Now what I want to teach you is how to access the Yoli Hybrid Compensation Plan. And this is the best part. The first thing that you want to do is you want to come on board with our Executive Blast-Off package. And the reason you want to do this is very, very simple. It's going to allow you to try all of the Yoli products. Imagine spending $1 million on a McDonald's franchise but only offering the Big Mac or only offering French fries. It doesn't make sense. So you need to come in with the Executive Blast-Off package because you're going to be able to try the truth. You're going to be able to try the fun. You're going to be able to try the Alkalite capsules, and you're going to be able to share them with other people with the whole intention of simply finding or attracting two individuals, one on your right and one on your left, who duplicate that same exact package. And what's so exciting about that, by doing that, you're going to achieve the rank of 5-star. 5-star just so happens to be the DNA of our compensation plan, which means that if you can go 5-star, you can go to the very top of the plan. Now, once you've accomplished the 5-star rank advancement, you are in a position to teach other people to do what you just did. Very, very simple. We're talking about duplicating a very simple thing, and that is simply helping the two people that you just introduced to Yoli to also go 5-star. How do they do that? Very, very simple. You help them get their two people. They also each put one on their right, one on their left. They also come in with the Executive Blast-Off package. Why? Because they need to experience all of the products, and they need to be able to share all of the products with their people. Now, once you duplicate one more time, and all you're doing again is helping that second generation also go 5-star by finding two people of their own, now you become what we call a 5-star gold. Not only do you get an additional rank advancement bonus of $250 for accomplishing that feat, but you also access the Unilevel Executive Matching Bonus portion of our plan. And this is so exciting because now you can earn, in addition to the binary, a percentage of whatever check they earn in the compensation plan. And I got to tell you, those are going to be the biggest bonuses that you will ever receive in Yoli. And by simply duplicating that small nucleus of people, we're only talking about 14 people, 2 who get 2 who get 2, 14 people, and you have created a nucleus that can literally set you up for the rest of your life.